Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocio. In today's video, I'd like to share with you one of my most recent projects. This large doily with pineapples. It measures about 21 inches. I used thread 10 and 1.65 millimeter hook. Let me show you a close-up of the edging. Unfortunately, I don't have the name of the pattern. It's from a Russian language magazine, and I don't know how to read Russian language. But I'm planning on making the tutorial. It will probably up by the middle of next month, in case you want to come back and follow along. The level is intermediate. Only the closing of the pineapples, it's a little complicated. Other than that, the stitches are mostly beginners to intermediate. But like I said, the closing of the pineapples is not for beginners. And anyways, I just thought I'd share with you. I'm very happy with my doily. It was in my to-do list for almost 2 years, and I was finally able to make it. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.